Dongcheng Electric Mixer 1010W DQU02-160 is a must-use. It comes with features like rated power input 1010, no load speed 620/min, stirring paddle diameter 160 mm, stirring paddle thread diameter M12, net weight 3.5 kilograms. Its accessories and package are with stirring paddle assembly, auxiliary handle, carbon brush and collar box packing.
Mail us today at sales@gz-supplies.com or visit our website www.gzsupplies.com for more of Dongcheng products.